number 4 I think wish or request kan siam thei ta tro. The tired boy said, let me take rest. No, let me take rest. Aha atro. Rest ka amamo dia in sia. The tired boy wished that he should take rest. Oh, so request kan siam don chuan the girl said to the teacher, kita ki chuanin as a to a request angaya for to win. The girl requested the teacher to allow her to go home then. No, now ka binakan sa. So updated sentences only. The updated sentences kan ti chu hey kan wish te mi kan workers na te mi hey kan ru kan hopes ang ti mo kyang ang sentence run kyang run 5 sentence how kan ni later. So number 1 na so God save the king of the people kan ti ta tro kan ti kan cha kang the people kini akan son ang curse lo tro the people prayed that the people prayed that God might save the king. Oh, so number 2, I can entitle the oppressed widow said, may 1,000 misfortunes befall you, O tyrant. And you can tiang. The oppressed widow
cursed.
Cursed.
Oppressed widow cursed that cursed king.
Cursed king. Curse the tyrant. I can be king.
Or the oppressed widow cursed tyrant that 1,000 misfortunes before him.
1,000 misfortunes before him. Or curse the tyrant that 1,000 misfortunes might befall him. Very good. So the poor little boy said, if I were a prince, if I pakata kan ni tuan pakat tuan singular at ni was kan mangchin kan kita tu mas kin please be if I were a prince kan kita tu tapi ni san sia kan ame sai thai ni an chan kan san ni yang asan if I were kan prince. The poor little boy said, if I were a prince. The poor little boy wished that he had been a prince. Kita say, if I were kan man na chan kiran prince siya. Tak mo. Butang tu po ko. Prensa tu po sampai dak. Ni yang. Nah, tu po prensa kaya Vincent ke. Imo thil khleng lo tu ti me yang thil
lo ni ta ila
lo ni ta ila tiang si kan ni ne lo an prince ani lo ta tro so bang prince ka ani ngai don lo tro chan tu thil thei pon to lo I apian le mu na pon zir lo ta so ka thil thei lo ku ka bat ang si mo if I were a millionaire lo ta to enti ka ma ki millionaire kan don lo so so kai ma pan ka pom ka ta ang si kan ni ne lo tu bang se ka chan if I were a prince if I were mo kan mang thei ma se till kang mo till what actually happened ang ka chan na hi if I had two emon chung at ko to diglo ta tro I'm sorry if I was rude to you ko ti thei chu tha mem ka ta si if something happened I can use if I was or kan chu tham tro if I were ngai lo kheng lo tu ra chan word kan mang ma se till kang thei ma ka chan if I was someone tu de tu ni One say ka wish or person can caption ta tro John conjunction that can exclamator sentence exclamatory ni John sudden feeling of the mind kan better expresses joy there sorrow anger applause surprise kaya content long song exclamator sentences to animal John shad to bak to exclamator sentences ay to atang kun he exclamation mark om chin ta tro John in update pa po kan lo enta ila om thau tro ki ma se ai ang lo ta ni asan chu exclamation mark abang kan exclamatory sentence ani care law ani ni alaw hey if I were a prince it's not an explanation no explanation ni big don't pattern sudden feeling of the mind to be pattern mo kan ni kan hi ma he Mizoram ka nga chun makan ti he kan ti ang mo khai o ti te ang khan ni me kan ru ru na thu ta he kan chen kam ni ang chi ho khan tu king ang ho ki ma se enge direct speech atun kan da ma se indirect kan le don khanin Kanda lang po ngai lo. Tuan, a reporting verb say ka into change it into explain the regret scores of law ti mo. Kaya ang siya kan ka nga. chuanin omit all interjections and use conjunction that. Examples in ang the young lady said, "Alas, my husband is no more." Then second clapping. Hindi lang tikhawi to ka. Hello, tile zung. So no liam le po tika lo tik le ta children. Inganya. Alas, my husband is no more.
The young lady.
Using again yang expressions of joy, sorrow yang tu alas itu chuanin. Okay, alung sian nak kagum kelam tu nien. The young lady exclaimed with sorrow that her husband was no more. Oh, number 2, chuan inting yang they said, "Hurrah, we have won the match." Tak kita nan him don tu.
They exclaim joy.
Exclaimed anything more? What more?
They exclaim with joy that they have won the match.
That they have won the match. No. Tak kira ni hari, akhir kan dulu kan exaggerated. Entinan hari, greetings angat. What tu hari? He greeted me. Di may item tu hari. Kena apa hari? Young lady exclaimed, "Alas, ni bahkan with sorrow kan dang." Dia kan tu hooray kan intinya kan kata more. So entinan hari. He greeted me. Good morning kita tu. He greeted me respectfully. Ti ang ten kata ang si kamu kan bel chat hari. Ni tak apa. Linda lamenta tu exclaimed joyfully that they had won the match. Joyfully tu. Hooray ayat kanin kan bel chanan kan kan itu. Number 3, Swan. He said, "If I were a bird." That at all. He wished that he were a bird. Swan. Number 4, so foolish. Why have you been disturbing me for nothing? That at all. The master disapproved of his servant's act, exclaiming, "He disapproval and me up me apa. Why have you been disturbing me? If I am the name ki boy nga hi atong kam khadu pi bak law churo chuan a servant chu ha man ni om takanita disapproved of his servant's act, exclaiming. Idu chuan ki ni ki da chuang lo thei da ma se ti kan chiang de yin ka sha ri ma chuan no. The master disapproved of his servant's act, exclaiming why he had disturbed him for nothing. Practice exercise and sinang tahan kan dule kan cham lai de ya. Chuan tu ni hi chu exercise shin pa ngai hin lo hanin question ni SSC CGL Mains ve kha kan karon da pe kan ti don ya kan ti man chuan kan ti man lo kan man ni mo ti don. Number 1 I can do ranking ya. She said, "Let them play." Atita churo in fiam ti ro atita apa ti pon ni thei mo anau ti pon ni thei. She allowed them to play more. Okay. So number 2 okay, opinion yeah. She allowed them to play. Mase, she said, "Let them play." She is speaking to the other person. Again. Let them play. It's an infiam. She allowed them to play. Ama ka na allow ni ito ro infiam ka apel sa kita. Mase amit ang ka mention ka law kan ka kita. Pero adik tawan ya chalo to ko. She advised that they be allowed to play. To allow to ila. Ni adik yun. Ikanin amidang ka aba aban lang pero kita. So number 2 caning. Okay, nang ani kan in answer ka to in review kan like sessions kan below Mizoram answer. Juda ka sa kan video kan tawa. So he said, "Hello, what are you doing?" Taturo. Hello. Any dia love ka. Tingnan yan. He. Hello, could you greeting someone in him? He can greet kan mention to. Can greet man. Ito kan yang
he greeted
me cheerfully and asked what I was doing. He said, "Hello, what are you doing?" He greeted me cheerfully. Respectfully. Your choice small. and asked what I was doing later. Number 3, she said congratulations and yet
She congratulated me.
very easy. Number 4, the captain said, well done, my boys. And captain John he don't let it in Kelala to and captain get to and catch at the John. In the channel, I'm not preparing to don't know. John, who they win him, they win he. In Pahanter, we am in the Chayan, the Ansi kind of don't talk. Well done, my boys. The captain,
Appraised.
yes.
The captain appraised.
Raised. Midangka, like very. The captain shouted joyfully to Pogan to Kayan. John, he said, I must go to Champai next month. He said that he has to go to Champai the following month and later on. He has to go to Champai the following. He would have to go to Champai the following month. So next month and after I think he would have to go to Champai the following month. Number 6, don't go home yet. I told my colleague, remember, you promised to finish your work before leaving. I told my colleague, I asked my colleague, I requested my colleague, my colleague not to go home yet. Help me out.
Not to go home yet. Not to go home yet. Reminding him that he promised to finish his work before leaving.
John, Ramwadi said to me, why don't you come with us? Why do you want to be so unsocial with that at all? Ramwadi said to me, why don't you come with us? Why do you want to be so unsocial with that? Ramwadi. As what in long is on a secretary asked. Ramwadi asked me, why I why I did not go with them. Why I did not go with them. Ron? And
why I wanted to be.
And further asked why I wanted to and further asked why I wanted to be so unsocial. Number 8, what a pleasant surprise, I exclaimed on seeing Rampuya in the room. I never expected to find you here, What a pleasant surprise, I exclaimed on seeing Rampuya.
I exclaimed it was
on seeing Rampuya. I explained on seeing Rampuya. That it was a pleasant surprise. And that I never expected to find him here today and later on. So Hnaka said to the boy, you have no ticket. Get out before you are driven out. Son, dia kan takang,
maka
naka,
warned
warned the boy to,
the boy
bukan pergi saya
to get out
to get out before he is driven out
to get
later.
out before he since he have no ticket.
You have as he have no ticket, as he has no
Yes.
ticket, as he have no ticket. Oh, so the lecturer paused and said, "Those who are tired of listening to me can go. I shall not mind it." The lecturer paused and said that those who are tired of listening to her can go, and that she should not mind that later it.
Would
Can an answer to amount of kina kan in elevator niya kinikitu kanin pedon let out to the show. Chat with the chat of oh. She advised that they should be allowed to play. Yeah. He greeted me and asked what I was doing. She congratulated me. The captain shouted with applause that his boys had done well. He said that he would have to go to Shanghai the following month. I requested my colleague not to go home yet and to remember that he had promised to finish his work before leaving. When Wagi asked me why I did not go with them, she further asked why I wanted to be so unsocial. SSC CGL question, we have and direct indirect narration. All them little key answer savit go no more. To wang objective ni pisan all don't do ni ko in care no pa Ramesh informed his friend that he could make use of his car while he was away. Yes. See more.
see
Ramesh said to his friend, "You can make use of my car while I'm away." See can agree more. Kala said to Radha, "Who were you speaking to over the phone?" Kala asked Radha who she had been speaking to over the phone. Kan tiba kan? Oh, ka di ka ngay. Kaya. Natingin iba rin, ilaw sometimes ay lawa, yung tolo mo kalau piso ka. Tumi, Zirlai girl kami. She said to me, I'm going shopping. Can I get you something? She said she was going shopping and said to me if I want. See mo, bidang kan. See pa mo. Oh. The girl wondered where the sparrows had gone at ita. Ayan yan. A, B, C, D. D mo. The girl said, "Oh, where have the sparrows gone?" Mr. Robinson asked his son what he wanted to be when he grew up. That's all. I think at young Mr. Robinson can. Mr. Robinson? No, my son, said Mr. Robinson. What will you be when you grow up? Nanyawa, B, C, D. B mo. Bilang ka ganun. Wait, sana daw ang lobo ka B sa pumiyang kuya. The boss said to his secretary, "Did you discuss the matter with the manager?"
N.
Mo. bidang kan comment
A.
A mo. John 7 Atson Kanan said to Subha, I'll return the book after I have read it at the title. Kanan said to Subha that he will return the book after he has read it. Hmiang B C B mo. Kan ko nan bidang kan. Di kan pom tek mo. Atau pakai sakit entan. Indo le lozak conversion chung lain sana ko. Dan ini bidang man saya ke ingai dan lau ni ponin lau chin conversion chung bola. Zan nang ani answer kan dan sini lau zan atau ba answer kan dan lau saya bola. He said to me, is there any possibility of getting my promotion this year? That is all. He said to me, is there any possibility of my getting promotion this year? He asked me if there was any possibility of getting promotion this year. B, C, D, and E. It's having comfort. C more. He asked me if there was any possibility of his getting promotion that year. He said, I do not wish to see any of you go away. Yang. B more. Duncan, when will I be able to vote? I asked my mother. Again, yeah.
B nhỉ?
E more. No, E just let. Thank you, Mikey. C more.
B is off.
B more.
Oh, B.
B. Okay.
When I will be able to vote.
When I will be able to vote more. Okay, let's share rồi. Number 10 ค่ะอันนี้ตีค่ะ B อินตีมีค่ะ
B.
10ค่ะ C เนี่ยเราเป็นชื่อนะอินจะทักที่ไหนค่ะอินตีดีกัน C ตัดตัวอินชื่อลักษณะเป็นมีดีกัน I asked my mother when when will I be able to vote? I asked my kita kan question mark dah tu kalau sesuatu ni tu. When will I be able to vote? I asked my mother at the time. Okay, kita hanin a past form and I'm present form and that. So I asked my mother when I would be able to vote future. So that we can see edit so ini kan. Oh, will ka in la da chunga will sa ka. Kita han ask ani mo say ivel ka a past ni da kan. Number 5 answer. Loading salary and answer. Oh, he to maintain main anxiety in score don't be have. Along what in the job. The boy thanked the principal for granting him a fee concession. Yeah. D bidang yang sama dengan ini kan ya. Ông lớn mà. Ông không biết cái gì nghe chán là đang lời xin trả rồi. Em quyền biết ya bidang saya sana kasi law next sa lang. Oh, how foolish I have been in my money matters. Yeah. He confessed regretfully that he had been very foolish in money matters. Yeah. He confessed regretfully that he could be so foolish in money matters. He confessed to himself that he was being very foolish in money matters. He explained regretfully. Amen. A midang kem pui thane ka lo chin cha pu la midang kan lo sang le bak ti lo tina lo any le pu yang ti ti le ti la ha kem pui tu ka A ti mo wan ka chin kan ti ka chin cha la me na tu ko e wan ka su ka lo tik me midang kan sana kan ne you can fast forward that we have been very foolish in running the test. Next second. Oh, Rahul said, yes, I am mistaken. Yeah. Rahul? Adik lo na pom son pero di mo si ki en sina oh. Adik lo na pom ta. Rahul admitted that she was mistaken. See, no. Tuanin bidangkan. Ini sa man to ang ay pero. Rajiv said to me, he plays with right hand. Rajiv told me that he plays with right hand. Rajiv said that he played with right hand. Rajiv asked if he could play with right hand. Rajiv told me that he could play with right hand. Say very well. D mo. Prem pui tu na mi kanang mari. D ti mi.
Oh, B ko ti ma.
Ka nang ma. B mo ti so. B for boy. Okay. Midang kan. Prem pui ang B ti midang kan ti ngayon ti. Yes.
Miang.
Being severe. Lux. Hey, tawag ka sa yang pui ka tu di kan ito ta. Adik la wanya orang pui sana ki amo sana. Lux say na ka. Tu bang son sana dang ka. Ani son A mo. Ani son A pe A kain jom yan. Okay, kasi ito sa kini to kan say. Adik la jang yang makakatu kalau hey, dengan view kita dong. Rajiv said to me he plays with right hand. Atita tero. Rajiv baka adik lampang ka athiam lampang man thiam lam ti kha cha lang to ta tero. Chu bang son athiam lampang ka amang char char tur ani awang khan intunan kan zia pon tero. Hey, kan zia char char to kan vegi ke to ve khota ka ve khora vegin ka char char to awang chuan she played with minty she wrote with minty thailawang she thame. Johnson, he plays with right hand kan tiang ATR. But there is no need for you to be so angry, said Mrs. Sun to her husband at the daughter. Mrs. Sun told her husband that there was no need for his anger. Mrs. Sun told her husband that there was no need to be in anger. Mrs. Sun told her husband that there was no need to be so angry. Mrs. Sun told her husband not to be so angry. A, B, C, D. Yeah.
C.
C mo.
No. A.
Rempui A mo. C. Rempui pick one. A mo C ki thầy là phải xong ra cái thằng này.
A.
A mo. Yeah, C ki ka. C ki nó bị sạch thân. Rempui đâu có phật môi C ki em.
Anh tin là C ko ti.
Sang lâu em lên để đâu nha anh nghĩ nó chân vậy thôi. I'll say to my friends, I have started learning computer. I'll tell my friends that I have started learning computer. I'll tell my friends that I'm learning computer. I'll tell my friends that I have started learning computer. Nghe nhá. A mo. Rempui. Thấy là mặc cần thấy cái sụt quý tất cả trên chúng ta nên trả nghe ngay thấy rồi. Cảm ơn tệ cái ngay xin chúc mừng. Em mo. Mi đắng khăn A cái gì em mi. Okay, in sin chapter to lo chi chuo nang mani ning in marks ka in check do na masel in lo chi cha mange. in decision in siam to kaya nga kimi A B C D bel di ka kyan kalau sei la kang a na han a ti ve ve to ram pui le kan nila kan I'll tell my friends that I had started learning computer in Tatara. In consider lo too, I'll say to my friends. Mo, I will say to my friends. Present tense in Tatara. Don't assume me po ki enta ula present perfect tense. Tao na tawa have started more. Subject plus, have plus, third form of the verb. Ani Tatara. So present tense ani chuan ente kan ti kha assume me kan kha lawang. Kita mi na kan zira kan. Pero I will say to my friends that I have started learning computer.
Inanya.
Jangan pakai. Ang lutuk ta in tiglaw na po ka mo masih kami di ka jang. Okay. Okay.
Jang.
The guide said to the swimmer, "Don't swim out too far." Tataro options A, B, C, D kan neya. Kimia kanin. Ang breaking yang kan answer. Hansale mapteo. Remrati teka. Ingen yang lapuite.
C.
C mo. Tunge C ti ka.
C nhang.
C mo. C can agree lang. Rempui answer ka tin sa dewa kay kalo 1 2 3 4 5 6. C vek mo. A mo. Ka. Natin kan tiro not plus infinitive kan titani. John forbid aman tay kan tibok ta tiro. Share tayo number D ki. The guide forbade the swimmer to swim out too far. Tiro. King ang kisa kiton adiklaw insan na kimo. The guide told the swimmer not to swim out too far. Ki adiklaw mi alaw. Mase diklaw rawa kan. Kitya ang tiya kitwanin an mains anito. Tatro question ni a level ka a standard ano result to wang kan zia dikte ang ber ang ka adiklaw chang lawin sana ka o mase piki he adiklaw ka khang uluk ang ito wangin diklaw na site preferable zok alaw tuan o di ki a preferable zok dewa chu wang chuanin kimia khanin si in chan chuan mark in mudon law o chuan kite ang bi ka ne chu mase option D kitel law ta se chuan in chan na ki chu ke pon ka chan na ke tho adiklaw law o chuan next ka lang o Number 8. Dr. Ratan said to the patient, "Take light food and do not go out in the sun." Tira. A, B, C, D, and wang tayo koy bear king yang. Dr. Ratan advised the patient to take light food and not to go out in the sun. At ya, adang ki enge yang kansan na tour.
A.
A mo. A, okay. Ano lang ako, ma'am? A kan luin ang tlangan ni mo tiro. So rin po yapon ni mo. Okay, A to dik. Number 9 na kan. I said goodbye my beloved friends kan nita ingen yang. I wished my beloved friends goodbye. I bid goodbye to my beloved friends. I said goodbye my beloved friends. I bade my beloved friends goodbye. Koy ber kingen yang.
D.
D mo. Okay. D kan tivikem sana dang omem. Okay, D to dik. So on number 10 kan nila. What an excellent piece of art, she said. So on, she exclaimed with appreciation that it was an excellent piece of art. She exclaimed what an excellent piece of art it was. She had exclaimed that it was an excellent piece of art, was it? She exclaimed with surprise, was it an excellent piece of art? Kung yun na. Obvious ka siya, here's the answer.
A.
A. A ka kantifikem.
A.
So an, ilaw in sincha tatero. Ki number 5 kinita to na bibi ka kan in sincha danang kan out of 10 I can exat ngayon mo. Fair the win. Fair din exat ngayon mo. Rempu exat ngayon mo. Ren pui kha mare ta ve nga tinge. For ilo 7 mo mo. Apa chave. Pag mo nang ni ang zangin mo. Rem ra tite. Okay. Kha zung kha. Voina kan zir thei chu ni ta tu ro chuan question dang voina kan thil tia khan kha zona pakhat ka zu solve ngai kan nei tu ro khami ti lawa khanin zona dang om chuan mi lo zot thei tho mi po hi impact kan tum don thawanya